Spiker?
Yes, totally fun.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a chance right now to say anything to the other two lady Spikers. Come on, what do you want to say to the team?
I love you, Mika Reyes. Oh, second with me or beside me is a great school studio. From what level? From what level? From what grade level? Grade 6. Who among the lady Spikers is your idol? Who? Sino sa kanila? Ituro mo nga. Sino sa kanila ang idol mo sa volleyball? Ituro mo. Sige. Point. Ano yun? Si Kim D. Any message? Do you have any message for Kim D? Good luck! Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, can I see the hands of the ladies to Spiker fans?
Yes!
Okay, let's give it a little break. Let's see. Very eager. What's your name, sweetheart? Ivy. Okay, are you excited? On a scale of 1 to 10. Scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you? Do you wanna say a message to your player of your choice?
Okay, first I would like to greet Mika and said happy birthday. And then, hi to Mayroon na katakatawa ako para gusto ako. And then, Gigi, kasabot niyo po, I love you.
We can really feel the excitement of our audience. And look at this. Our very cute audiences. They have with them a small placard that says, "We love you, Lady Spikers." Ang cute flag. What are you? Can you give us your name? What's your name? Who among them is your favorite player?
Justin!
Number 15. Okay. What about you? Number 11. Sino naman number 11? May number 11 ba dyan? Ayun. Si Team B pa rin. Annabelle, we already have audiences. Why don't we interview Ara Galang and Steve Rizzi?
You're done. And after that, I think we should give some of the fans a chance for Right?
By the way, seeing this, Puri Sara, can you greet them in Cebuano? Also, Ara Galang, it's the first time in Lima. Okay, a moment of silence, please. Ara, what are your descriptions when you reach Iligan? Ano masasabi mo sa Iligan ng pagdating mo dito?
Maganda.
If you get a chance to be back here, would you be willing to do so?
Yes, of course. Right,
kahit ilang beses na pwede siyang pinupunta na sa ibigan. Thank you very much. What about any question, please?
Okay,
Bisaya.
okay, pag kumaling adlaw, for 2 days na nakakalinis sa ibigan, makaibang ka na, kung mamatay ka, o makaibang ka na, nakasukan na dyan ka na, nakasila dyan ka na, rakag people, member sa tikal people. Ako ulit, nakakita ako sa ilan na. Thank you, sir.
Okay, at this point, before we move on, we would like to request those people to hear the comfort rooms. Please proceed to the area near the stage.
Coach Jojo, can we clean the area on the side? Napatay space sa stage, mga dira.